Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install DeepSeek AI locally on your PC. For this, go to any browser, then search for LM Studio. Next click the first link. Now from here choose Mac, Windows or Linux. I'm going for Windows here as I have already downloaded the app. Let's open it. Now go to the search and search for DeepSeek here, and you will see various versions of DeepSeek AI with 8 billion parameters version, 7 billion parameters version, 14 billion parameters version. If your PC configuration is very high, then go for big parameters. In this case, I am using 27B. You can use another version or choose other versions too, like this one, and just click on download and it will be downloaded to your machine. So I have already downloaded the Q3KL version. Now load it and just click on use in new chat. Here is our local DeepSeek AI. Now there is no tension for leaking your information. Just give any prompt and it will give you the answer. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.